In this video, I'm going to show you how to create automatic subtitles in CapCut PC using the Auto Captions feature. Instead of typing every subtitle by hand, CapCut can recognize the speech in your video and generate captions for you automatically. This not only saves a lot of time, but also makes your editing workflow much faster and easier. Let's jump right in and see how it works. To get started, select the video clip on your timeline that contains the audio you want to turn into subtitles. Once the clip is selected, move over to the toolbar on the left side of the screen and click Captions. From here, choose Auto Captions. This is the tool that will automatically analyze your video's audio and generate subtitles with just a few clicks. Before generating the captions, you'll need to choose the correct language for your video's audio. This step is very important because it directly affects the accuracy of the speech recognition. If your video is in English, select English. If it's in Vietnamese, choose Vietnamese instead. Taking a few seconds to select the correct language now can save you a lot of editing time later. Now that everything is ready, simply click the Generate button. CapCut will immediately begin analyzing the audio in your video. Depending on the length of your project and the speed of your computer, this process may take anywhere from a few seconds to a little longer. While CapCut is working, there's nothing else you need to do. Just wait until the subtitles have been generated successfully. Once the process is complete, you'll see that CapCut has automatically created subtitles for your entire video. The captions will appear both on the timeline and in the preview window. Take a moment to play through your video and carefully check each subtitle. Although Auto Captions is usually very accurate, it's always a good idea to review everything before moving on. If you notice that a word or sentence isn't quite correct, don't worry, simply click on the caption you want to edit. Then, go over to the editing panel on the right side and make any necessary changes. Your edits will appear instantly in the preview window, so you can immediately see the result. This makes it very quick and easy to correct any recognition mistakes before exporting your final video. After you're satisfied with the text, it's time to customize how your captions look. You can choose a different font that matches the style of your video. Adjust the font size to make the subtitles easier to read. You can also change the text color if you'd like to emphasize important information. For even better visibility, especially on bright or busy backgrounds, consider adding an outline around your text. These small design changes can make your subtitles look much more professional. CapCut also includes a collection of built-in text styles that you can use instantly. Simply browse through the available styles and click on any one to preview it. Once you find a style that fits your video, apply it with a single click. Using preset styles is one of the easiest ways to improve the appearance of your captions without spending extra time adjusting every setting manually. Finally, play your video from beginning to end one more time. Carefully check the subtitles to make sure everything is correct and easy to read. If you find any mistakes, simply edit the captions before exporting your project. And that's all there is to creating automatic subtitles with Auto Captions in CapCut PC. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.